Do you want your secure folder to stay protected even after your phone restart? Or maybe you want quick access without typing your password again? Fortunately, Samsung gives you the option to control automatic data decryption inside secure folder, so you can customize the balance between convenience and security. This option decides what happens to your secure folder after a reboot. You can choose to automatically decrypt the content or keep everything locked until you unlock it manually. Let me show you where the setting is. First, access your secure folder from the app screen. Enter your screen lock for secure folder. Now tap the three dot, then tap setting, tap other security setting. Here you will see an option called automatic data decryption. You can turn this option on or off. If you turn it on, your phone will automatically decrypt secure folder data after reboot, so you can access everything faster but with slightly lower security. While if you turn it off, your secure folder stays fully locked after your phone restart. Your files, photos, and apps inside secure folder remain encrypted until you manually unlock it. This is great for extra protection, especially if you restart your phone often or worry about someone accessing your private data. So for the security reason, let's leave this option off so you can get stronger privacy and full control over when the secure folder become accessible. And that's it. It's a small setting that makes a big difference in how secure your private files are. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.